Hey guys, we have a Walt Disney World trip coming up in November, and so I decided what better way to count down our trip than with an advent calendar. I chose this Lego Star Wars box, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside. Let's take a look. Hey guys, we are back for day number 4 of our Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar, and we're gonna see what we get today. We've really been enjoying this box, getting really excited about our trip to Disney, and so this is really just a cool way to count it down. Okay, let's see what we get. Sometimes they don't want to come out of there. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this one, okay guys, this is Luke Skywalker. I know exactly who this is. So I will put him together and come back and show you what he looks like. Great pull for day 4. There is an assembly diagram on each flap to help with putting these together, so that's nice. After pulling Luke Skywalker's childhood home yesterday, today we pulled Luke Skywalker himself. Portrayed by actor Mark Hamill, Luke was the son of Senator Padme Amidala and Anakin Skywalker. He was raised by his aunt and uncle, but was drawn into the conflict between the Empire and the Rebel Alliance when his aunt and uncle were murdered by Darth Vader. He eventually becomes a powerful Jedi and one of our favorite characters in the Star Wars universe. This is a great box with some cool pieces. Here's a look at what we've pulled so far. I look forward to tomorrow's video. Don't forget to hurry back and check it out. And may the Force be with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and come hang out with us on social media. We're the Hitchhiking Bones, and we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's always room for one more, so hurry back.